Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, there is one mail which has been sent by TCS and their examination date is mentioned 8th of April 2023 and the time is mentioned 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now many of the students are asking, sir, the TCS actual exam is on 8th of April or it will be on 14th of April. So friends, I wanted to tell you the actual exam TCS will be conducting on 14th of April only. So you do not have to worry at all. Then what is happening or what is going to happen on 8th of April? So friends, it's clearly mentioned IRC exam date 8th of April, and they have also mentioned the IRC shift timing 2 to 6 p.m. They have given the username and password. Now, what is IRC? So friends, please do watch the video till the end so that I will be able to tell you what exactly is the IRC. Is IRC mandatory? That means do you need to write this particular exam or not? IRC and main examination will be different or the examination question level will be same. If you don't write IRC, then you will be getting the main examination link or not. What is the advantage of writing IRC, and can you write this particular test using mobile phone? So each and everything will be discussed. Okay, so first thing which has to be clear here, friends, so your actual examination date will be on 14th of April, or they might extend the date by 1 or 2 days depending upon the number of a student, right? Okay, so 8th of April you will be having IRC, means infrastructure readiness test. Okay, so infrastructure readiness test basically. So friends, here TCS will conduct, okay, before the actual test, TCS will be conducting IRC test to understand that your laptop, your computer is capable of running the TCS software where you are going to write the examination, your mic, your camera, everything is working properly or not. Okay, so that is why. So a IRC test will be conducted. Okay, and friends, I would like to tell you, see, IRC and your actual test will be quite similar. That means here also you will be getting username, password, instructions, each and everything, and same thing you will be getting here also in actual test, right? So IRC is a kind of mock test which TCS will be conducting before the actual test, and it will also identify if there is any problem in your system. Okay, now friends, is IRC mandatory? So no, IRC is not mandatory. Okay, IRC is not mandatory. If you don't write IRC test, then also there is no problem. But friends, I request all of you to please write IRC so that you will be able to go through the instructions. You will be able to identify if there is any problem in your laptop, your camera, or a speaker, mic, each and everything you will be able to identify, and also you will be able to know the level of the question. Okay, so here if you read that, so thank you for participating in TCS NQT April 2023. You had chosen to write the examination in remote assessment made at home. Okay, so friends, there is a remote assessment and in center. Your participation in infrastructure is a mandatory step to take your system readiness for you to be allowed to take the exam remotely from home. You are being invited as initial set of IRC participant. Okay, see, some of you might not have got the IRC link yet, so you do not have to worry. So this will be your link, username and password, each and everything. Okay, friends, what they will be checking, if you have a working webcam or not, launcher for the respective operating system that you can download during IRC. So during your IRC, you will be downloading the software where you have to write exam. Recommended browser, Google Chrome. So version 91 and above. Minimum internet speed 5 Mbps and at least 100 MB of free disk space to download a 45 MB file which is required to launch the assessment. Steps to complete. So do this steps 1 hour before the examination. So this is basically you will be having, they will be creating a actual environment and it will help you in the main actual test. Okay, then IRC and main examination question level is same? No, friends, many time you might realize that in IRC the level of the examination question were tough, but in the main exam the question will not be that tough. Okay, so if I don't write IRC, will I get link for the main exam? Yes. So if you don't write IRC, you will be definitely getting link for the actual exam. No need to worry. What is the advantage of writing IRC? So when there are a lot of advantage, because the time which you are going to spend, see, suppose if you miss IRC, then in the actual exam you need to download this particular software where it went, right? So you need to download this, actual software and do all those things, right? So that you do not have to do on the same day, you can do it before only. Can I write test using mobile phone? No. So with mobile phone you will not be able to write the test. You need computer, you need laptop. Okay, so be very clear with that. Now, so friends, how to prepare for the TCS NQT test? See, already we are putting a lot of videos. Okay, so a recent video also I put, like, TCS NQT last 10 days preparation strategy. Here I have covered free resources, syllabus, each and everything. Okay, but if you really want to crack, if you are serious about that, then only you go and buy so TCS NQT crash course for 2023 based on the new pattern, and the price is just 409 rupees. Okay, so friends, the price is also very much nominal, and if your exam is on 14th, you have enough time. So if you'll just go through video, if no need to practice also, just watch the video, it will give you a lot of confidence. And friends, here 200 plus learning materials are there, and also you will be getting mock test. Okay, so 33 mock test is available now. The link has been given in description, right? So get it right now, do not regret later. So free 33 mock test with video solution. So we are the only channel who is providing this. So friends, that's all I wanted to say. So all the very very best. So utilize this opportunity and score more in the TCS exam. Thank you, take care, and all the very very best. Okay.